So in preparation for our upgrade to premium subscriptions for the xBrat Stocks Predator, where we're adding a lot more of our proprietary indicators, I want to do a little bit of training on Elliott Wave, and I think this is good training even if you're not getting the Stocks Predator. So with the Stocks Predator, we've ran an end of day scan on Friday. This is a Monday. I've just filtered out, I just want to look at the stocks, over 5,000 stocks, and there's only this many that has full confluence for a bullish move. So I picked out MCB here because it has the Elliott Wave already built into this test one, and we're launching these soon. So in reality, what we have is, let's just talk about the behavior here. So Elliott Wave understands trends. It measures trends, and we look for a pullback and trade that fifth wave move. But this trend started way earlier. We got full confluence here on the xBrat algo, and this long move here was very good. We had a little bit of pullback, and we can see then we gone and formed a wave 3 on the Elliott Wave. So measuring that trend behavior, there's quite a few different tools that we use. So first of all, we can see the stochastic down here. You see these yellow dots on the bottom here. This is false breakout. So you can see in the overbought zone, we kept turning over, coming back again, turning over, coming. So this denotes a really strong bullish trend, which we had that on that wave 3. Now we have that wave 4 pullback into these pullback zones. So the pullback zone here, the green zone, there is an 85% probability it's going to go on and hit that automated fifth wave target zone around about $84 there. So that's a good pullback zone, but we don't just look at that. We make sure that we don't get a false breakout on the bottom here on the stochastic when we pull back against that false breakout on the top. That's good. It's crossed over in the oversold zone. We also use the Elliott Wave oscillator, and the red profile here is during the wave 4. This wave 4 pullback should be between 90 and 140, and you can see that profile perfectly fits in there. So this is a very high probability trade. So not have we only got confluence, okay? Confluence also, I've had added a filter here for beta above 1. So now we can understand the trend behavior with the Elliott Wave. We've had a wave 4 pullback. We want to trade the fifth wave. Now we've got full confluence with the roller coaster with this green arrow here, xBrat algo, 5-star buy here, and all 6 timeframes on the buy step heat map are green. So not only have we understood the trend behavior and this wave 4, this profit taking pullback with the Elliott Wave indicator sweep, now we have a potential trading opportunity to go along around about 75.10, something like that, above Friday's high, looking for an $84 target in that fifth wave target zone. There will be resistance to that previous wave 3 because that was all-time highs. Okay, so we must make sure if we're swing trading this that once we start to get to that $80 mark, we make our trade risk-free, just in case it can't push through. There is an 85% probability, because this probability pullback zone tells me that it's going to go on and hit that new high at that fifth wave target zone. So what I've done is combined the confluences that we run the scanners with the advanced charting package for the premium subscription coming out soon for the Stocks Predator, the Elliott Wave, to understand that trend, where it's come from, how it's behaved, to give me a high probability move. So not only have we got the confluence between these 3 dots here with the roller coaster, the xBrat algo, and the buy step heat map, we've also got confluence with a potential fifth wave move on the Elliott Wave. The fourth wave behaved as it should do. Very high probability move on MCB. So check out the link below for the Stocks Predator. Very powerful standalone dashboard. It's on a if you like, it's on a web browser. You can use it on a Mac, you can use it on Windows, and everything is included within that dashboard. Check out the links below.